There are many monkeys in our school. Yes, many are trees.
Some monkeys are big.
Some are small.
Monkeys have long tails. They climb trees easily.
They play with each other.
Monkeys like bananas.